everyone, and thanks for joining me today. Today's session is all about how to become a successful finance broker. It's a step-by-step guide of exactly how to get there. Step number one, you need to get your foot in the door. My advice to you, if you're a student or if you're still at school or you're just in need of a career change, don't worry about the commission up front. Don't worry about that to begin with when you're trying to get your foot in the door, because your main goal when you go and work for somebody at the start, you want to establish, is this role right for me? Is it something that I'm going to enjoy doing? Or is it something that's just not for me? Do I have the time that it's going to take, and do I have the capacity to actually give up what I need to give up to make this role work? Is it for me? I am 100% ready to go. What, so you don't need a ready to go hat and suitcase? Fine. The first ever job that I had in finance in Australia was working for a car finance company on the road as a business development manager. I had absolutely no experience in car finance whatsoever. I did, however, have mortgage experience, and the one thing that I really did have was an attitude that I was going to make it and I was going to get sponsored no matter what. In my very first interview, I sat down for almost 2 hours, and in that 2 hours I was absolutely drilled. Their main concern was the fact that I was on a 417 visa, which is basically a working holiday visa, and the problem with a working holiday visa is it only permits you to work in Australia for 12 months. In the interview, I decided that I had to do something to get it across the line, so I came up with a plan. What if I trade my first lot of commission just to get my foot in the door and give the employer back what they're going to pay to the recruitment agency to get me on board? Then it's a win-win. They're not going to lose. They're going to give me the job and I've got my foot in the door. Bye-bye commission check for the first 3 months, but who cares? It's a lifetime worth of income, 100% worth doing. One of the things that I was told to do is to get out on the road and to dress to impress. Ladies, you're gonna need a set of heels. Well, being a mum, I have not walked in heels for over 8 months. This is painful. And trust me, it worked. Step number 2, you need to get qualified. That's going to mean that you're going to have to put the Ashy Bynes magazines down for a little while. Or you're going to have to give up your favourite channels and series on Netflix just for a short period of time. But trust me, when you get the career that you want, it is all going to be worth it. So the qualification that you're going to need is a Certificate 4 in Finance and Mortgage Broking, and here's exactly how to get it. Open a Google window and simply type in Certificate 4 in Finance and Mortgage Broking. Search through them and work out which one is going to be best suited for you. You can complete the course online or you can do it in person through a TAFE. The great news is that you will have 6 months to complete the course, so if you are time poor, it will allow you to get it done. Now, if you're studying at the moment, you're still at school, or potentially you have been able to get your foot in the door and you've started working for someone, now is the time to knuckle down and get this course completed. Potentially your employer might allow you some time to be able to do it in the day with them. If not, get it done at night, get it done and dusted and out the way, and you'll be qualified and ready to go. 3, surround yourself with an absolutely incredible, awesome, experienced team.
So you're looking at this 2014 Trident, it's going to be 18,950 and you just want to get an idea on finance options and so forth, is that correct?
Step number 4, build yourself a client base. The first base that you want to build is a warm client base. That I'm talking about your friends, your family, everyone that loves you. Send them a Facebook message, send them an Instagram message, tell them what you're doing and get them to support you, because trust me, the people that love you the most will support you. Hi, it's Emma here. I know I've asked you to do a lot of things in the past, like finance your car. But anyway, would you like to subscribe to my YouTube channel so it looks like I've got some friends and family that actually know what I'm doing and I don't look like a fool? Thanks in advance. The second client base that you need to build is everyone else. Now, it doesn't just have to be the obvious ones, the obvious referral partners that are actually in the game. This is anyone. This is your local coffee shop, this is your mother's group, this is absolutely everyone in the world that you talk to. Show them that you love your career, show them that you're passionate about it, and when it comes time that they need finance, I want them to think Emma equals finance. Hi, my name's Emma and I do finance. Nice to meet you. Hi, my name's Emma and I do finance. Nice to meet you. Hi, my name's Emma. When you need car finance, come and see me. What is it that you do? Simple. I think I just spilt coffee on my camera. Oopsie. Number 5 is follow up and follow through. If you say you're going to do something, make sure you do it. If you say you're going to call someone, make sure you call someone. If you say, I will call you tonight, you call them tonight. Now is not the time to think that you can pick and choose when you can call people back. If you have said that you will call somebody, you make sure you follow through with that. Nobody likes it when someone says that they're going to do something and they don't do it. It's just a lack of service. So make sure everything you say you're going to do, you absolutely 100% do it. Hi, it's Emma Madafri here. How are you? Yes, remember when we met in the coffee shop yesterday and I said to you that I would do your washing for a week for free if you signed up and organised car finance through me for the first time? I'm just calling to let you know your washing's ready. Here you go. And follow up. Make sure that when you do organise finance for customers that you follow up and you discuss future potential options for the client ongoing, because the most important thing is you do want your clients to be with you for a long time. You want them to come on board and use you time and time again because they enjoy dealing with you. Hi, it's Emma here. Yeah, sure. I was just giving you a quick call. I just wanted to check in and see how you are. I was wondering if you're free for a glass of wine on Friday. And the final step is step 6. Preparation to get out on your own. Find an employer that will support you in this. That is important. We have systems in place. We have everything that you could ever need to actually get going when you're ready to do so. So when you're ready to take that big leap of faith, you don't need to spend the countless dollars that we did and make the mistakes that we did to get yourself started. You're literally ready to just go out, press a button and say, I am ready to go. Where is the button to push? Where's the button to push? I am 100% ready to go. You also want to build up some capital. So not only can you get your clients from your referrals and those lovely friends and family that love you so much, but you can also pay to advertise. And that's another stream and another avenue of business that you can bring in. Hi, it's Emma here. I'm all out of cash at the moment. Do you guys take plastic? Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope today was useful for you and I've really enjoyed myself, so I hope to see you soon. Make sure if you've enjoyed this video today, you just hit subscribe and hopefully you can enjoy more of these types of videos in the future.